Is this for Pikachu music? You guys, you can see Jack. Look, here's some lights. Oh, the podium is actually on the other side of this thing. Welcome to Santo André Festas. Bouncy Castle from Home Key, Portugal. Soy yo, meninas. Hola. Hola. Who wants a snacky? Apparently, if your dogs are not used to eating bones, you need to be a little bit careful. Chew it. You cannot swallow it whole, sweetie. You need to chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Good. Wow. Chew it. You need to chew it, sweetie. Chew it. Ow, 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 ow. You cannot swallow it whole, sweetie. You need to chew it. I'm not so worried about Zoe. I was more worried about Akira. Was it good? Did you like it? Boa? Boa? All good? Nothing stuck in the throat? No wackadellas? I am also on a new diet. No more smoothies. I have this now. Whole lists with stuff what I am allowed to eat and not allowed to eat and should never eat. Slowly getting into it. This morning I had eggs with bacon and potatoes for breakfast. What? You got it all? Yeah, so the food that the dogs were getting, it was quite expensive, the rolls with meat. But apparently, even though the price is high, it's not premium quality food. It's actually sort of budget food, although that the rolls are very expensive. So we now have akana, kibble, like biscuits. Nakana has the right stuff, hopefully, that the dogs need. Especially for Zoe, we're gonna try that. Well, they're both gonna eat it, but we're gonna see if Zoe is gonna do better on the new food, because the problems that she has with the joints and stuff, it should be easier to manage with the right stuff in the right amounts. This was chicken wings, raw chicken wings. You like it? Nice breeze. I'm still stuck behind the computer. Let's see what Jeff is up to. I see some very bright red windows. Hello?
Hello.
Hey Jeff.
Hello.
Hey Jeff.
Hello.
Let's find the light.
You like it?
Yeah.
I tried it last night. It's not that bright, but
We can put in another bulb, right?
I put one of them that you bought in it.
Oh.
I thought they'd be brighter, but well, it's okay, yeah. It's not horrible.
Oh. This one you did 2 times already, huh?
Yeah. That's the second one now. And this is that one coat up to here. Difference of the paint, eh?
Yeah.
One coat up to there I've done. You can tell.
Nice.
Totally different.
Yeah.
I haven't done the cutting in, but that's that bit I said to you.
Where it
All
fell
that-
off.
all that fell
Yeah.
off. I damped it down and put a bit on the edges. I have to damp it down and do it again, and that needs a little bit there, but
A lick of paint and we're good to go?
yeah. Yeah.
What do you think, Jess?
Just don't care.
We have an approval stamp? A paw approval? This beautiful view here.
Visitor.
Hey Zoe! What you doing? No, sweetie. She had the first step. She was really like difficult, like getting up the step. What do you want to see? You want to come up?
Be careful.
Oh, yeah. Zoe, something is wrong, sweetie.
No, checking. Inspection.
I found her. Akira always gets worried when Zoe leaves the property. Boa cadela. Boa cadela. Come on. Whee! Come on. Go on. Vamos. This is going to be horrible. Not for you guys, but for me. Freaking horrible. Sweat and dust. And also I don't like this big grinder. I'll make a first cut with this one. I think I can go a lot straighter than with the big one. A little bit scared of the big one. Definitely not the most fun job. Those masks really help not to breathe. This is fucking horrible. Can you still see me, Jeff?
Is it just too hard?
No. It goes okay. But I first did it with the big one. But I know that I'm like a bit afraid of this machine. Because it can have like a lot of force, right?
Yeah. Do you want me to do it for you?
Well, I'm not trying it with a small one.
How's it doing? Oh, is that your new blade?
No, I put all one on now. Just a diamond cut blade. But I might need to get in here with the big one again. Because you can't get in with a small one, you have to go like this, right?
Do you want me to do it for you?
Do you work with these things like more often?
Oh yeah, the big petrol ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You blow. Get rid of the dust.
Thanks, Jeff. Yeah, now we only need to clean it up a bit. And then see if we can get this thing in. After we put some new render on there. It's only dust. best job ever. Wow. Oh Maria. Zo. Ah. Hey sweetie. Que pasa? You guys also need a thorough wash. Did I tell you already that I think grinding is a horrible job? You can't really protect against it because it's going everywhere, guys. It's like with sand on the beach. It's stuck everywhere here. You're also a bit dusty, huh? You're also a bit dusty. Brush you guys off. Looking sharp again. The both of us.